There are two small things in directory management that actually creates a lot of friction. One, listing owners submit, but when something goes wrong, they get no clear feedback. 2. Users search by location, but results are not sorted by distance. Directorist version 8.7.1 fixes both of this. Let me walk you through how each one works. A listing gets submitted, you see it in pending, you either approve it or it just stays there. There are no proper ways to reject it. And more importantly, no way to tell the listing owner what actually went wrong. So from their side, they just see pending and they have no idea what to fix. That's exactly what's improved now. When you open a submission, you will now see two options, publish and reject. Publish works just like before. Reject, however, introduces a new workflow. When you click reject, a panel appears with a list of preset reasons such as wrong directory, incorrect information, incomplete details, and more. You can select one and it will automatically populate the message box. If none fit, you also have the option to write a custom reason. Once confirmed, the selected reason is saved with the listing. Additionally, the website owners can view the full history of each listing, including all rejected reasons so far. This makes it easier to review, make decisions, or guide listing owners effectively. No emails, no manual follow-ups. Everything is managed within the system. Now, from the listing owner side, this is where it gets really useful. Inside their dashboard, they now have a rejected column alongside published and pending. So, they can instantly see the status of every submission. And when they hover over the rejected status, they can see the exact reason you added. No confusion, no guessing. From there, you can simply edit the listing and resubmit it. So now the entire loop is like this. Submit, review, reject with reason, fix, and resubmit. And this entire loop is handled within the Directorist. No back and forth emails, so no communication gap. Next, let's look at nearby sort. When users search by location, they usually set a radius, and Directorist already filters listing based on that. But earlier, the results were not sorted by distance, so the nearest listing could be anywhere in the list. So even though the filtering was correct, the ordering didn't really help user find the closest option quickly. To enable this, go to Settings, General, All Listing, Sort Options. Here you will find Nearby, just enable it. There's also a separate setting under Settings, Search, Search Result, and Sort Options. These two are independent, so you can enable Nearby Sort for listing pages, Search Result, or both. Now back on the fourth end, run the same result again. Open the sort by drop-down and you will see nearby sort as an option. Select it and now listings are reordered by distance. Closest results show up first. One important thing to note, this option only appears when there is a valid location search. So if users are just browsing without location, nearby sort won't show up, because it's not relevant there. Both of these features are built in the Directorist core, so no extra extension needed. For nearby sort, just enable it from settings where you need it. Go ahead and update to version 8.7.1 from your WordPress dashboard. You will find the full release note in the description below. If you have any question, drop them in the comments and I will see you in the next one.
Directorist, a revolution in directory solution.